So it was Elon's first week at Twitter, and I can tell you one thing for sure, Tesla stock did not like that at all. We're going to break Tesla stock down in this video and talk about why I believe it could be going under $200 a share, and we're also going to go over some things about Twitter, Elon, my thoughts. So sit back, relax, stay hydrated, guys. Take a sip of your water, hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe as well, and let's dive into the video. And by the way, if you guys want some free money, get your $10 plus up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, link down below, and you could also get 12 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. Guess what? Also link down below. And now let's talk. So you guys know Tesla stock is down from $400 back in the beginning of November of last year, just about a year ago, to now $207 a share. And funny how that works, guys. It is down exactly 50%. Look at that, from $414 to now $207 when I'm filming the video. It is down again pretty much exactly 50% to the dot. And notice the pattern that we're seeing here on the yearly chart. This is a descending triangle. You can see clearly that since last year, we've been making lower highs like no other. Pretty much every couple months we fail, at a lower high and dump to a point of support. At least in the past couple of months we've done this. We've dumped towards about 200 and we've held it, right? We've held it up until, I believe, now. I think soon here we're going to take 200 out. We're going to take 198 out, and we're going to start going down towards my target in the short term here next couple of weeks on Tesla. To be honest, I'm not trying to ruffle feathers, but I'm being real, is 175 to 185 bucks. That's what I'm thinking. Just in the short term, based on the charts here, based on just uncertainty around Elon, Twitter, whatever. I mean, there's still, selling pressure involved on Tesla, in my opinion, in Tesla due to that, right? And let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about that? But overall, this is holding on by a thread, and you can see it on the 4-hour chart as well. It closed right at 200, 205 today. It is holding on by a thread. And mind you, today when I'm filming this video, Tesla went down 3.5% after the markets had a pretty good green day. That is not a good sign at all. So I feel like 200 is going to break. I'm going to set my alert there now. I'm actually going to put two alerts. One at mark is at or below 200, and then I'll put another one, mark is at or below $195, which if you guys take a look here on this 4-hour chart, 198 was that low from just a couple of weeks ago. If that breaks, we break 195, we're probably going lower. So you guys know, again, Elon now owns Twitter, and he plans to eliminate 3,700 jobs at Twitter, roughly 3,700 jobs, or half of the social media company's workforce, roughly 7,500. He's looking to cut half of those in a bid to drive down costs following his acquisition, which cost him $44 billion freaking dollars. And this is according to people with, of course, knowledge of the matter here. And the big thing that's sparking a lot of controversy, which I'm sure you guys have seen, we're going to talk about that now a little bit, is the $8 a month. He's looking to charge people essentially $8 a month, those that want to do it, to receive specific perks. We'll talk about that here in a second. And this sparked controversy amongst some verified Twitter users who were unhappy at the news that they'd have to start paying for the blue check. I mean, people that are already verified, wouldn't you think they have enough money to pay $8 a month, guys? I mean, what? That's kind of stupid in my opinion. But yeah, he's been complaining, or not he, a lot of people have been complaining. And Elon Musk, despite the criticism, reiterated his plans for that later in the day. I believe that was announced a couple days ago. And he said to all the complainers, please continue complaining, but it will cost $8. He tweeted that, which is hilarious. And included in the price would not only be the blue check mark, but also priority in search, fewer ads, and the ability to post long-form video, Musk has said in various tweets, which I guess That's going to be interesting to post long form video. Am I going to do that? I don't know. Maybe. Go follow me on Twitter. Who knows? At StossRFest. I actually have a Twitter account. Not too active on there, to be honest, but if you want to go follow me, it's at StossRFest. Who knows? I'm probably going to pay the $8 a month for sure. And who knows? I might start posting some videos on there. So yeah, included in the price is the check mark, priority in search, fewer ads, long form content, and Musk is planning to overhaul Twitter Blue, the site's premium subscription service, with these features. Quite interesting there. And the $8 subscription fee, believe it or not, is lower than previously expected. The Verge reported on Sunday that Musk was aiming to charge $20 a month for Blue, which is currently $4.99 a month. So the way he's going to do this is, guys, he's not going to come right off the bat and be like, oh, it's going to be $20 a month. It's going to be scaled. It's going to be little increment increases over time, right? That's how it works. Remember Netflix years ago? It started at like $4 a month. Now it's what, $20 a month or whatever? That's what's going to be what happens with Twitter. Probably not as aggressively, because at some point, if it's $30 a month or $40 a month for Twitter, no one's freaking paying that. But if it stays at $8, creeps to $10, maybe goes to $12, $14 over a couple years, yeah, people are still going to pay that, and that's my opinion. I think that's what he's trying to do. Start at $8 a month, keep it there for a little bit, and then scale that up, of course, over time. So a lot of controversy was sparked because people think now that people are going to impersonate other people, use their name and have pay the $8 a month to get a fake check mark. I don't know. I mean, I don't have much of an opinion on that yet, because we have to see how it plays out. I mean, this is not really playing out yet. I guess time will tell. But one thing I know for sure is, again, I'm going to get on Twitter and pay the $8 a month. And it's honestly, I feel like, and I'm not a big YouTuber by any stretch of the imagination, but maybe this might be good. I don't know, because there's a lot of fake profiles, especially on Instagram, that pretend to be me, and you guys probably see them in the comments here on YouTube as well. That might be a good thing. But then again, I don't know if there's many impersonators of me on Twitter. Probably not, because I'm not really on there much. But for those that do have impersonators, but then again, the impersonators could just go buy the check mark. I don't know. Again, it's going to be a trial and error, I guess. We'll see how it goes. But overall, this is causing a lot of controversy. Elon Musk, yet again, is in the week. What am I saying? He's in the news yet again for the week. That I mixed up all the words there. But you guys know what I mean. Elon Musk never ceases to amaze me. This guy is always headline. He's always in the headlines, man. And that is why he's very popular. And of course, he's that's got to be part of his success. All the press that he gets, man, it's unbelievable. He is all over the place, and that's going to be the case here probably for a while. So what do you guys think? I mean, Twitter, it's going to be interesting. This is probably going to cause a little bit more uncertainty with Tesla. I don't know. Call me crazy, but that's my take, and I think Tesla's going under 200, probably to 170, 180 bucks in the short term. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit the like button on this video. Make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Patreon and get all your free stocks from Moomoo and from Webull. Link down below. It's free money, guys. They're in a bear market. Who doesn't like free money? And with that being said, cheers. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you later. Peace out.